Okay, this is the sight of a spoiled dog. I'm watching, you can't really see it. I'm watching Some Like It Hot. But anyway, Marilyn Monroe. Anyway, this is the sight of a spoiled dog. Sophie, how spoiled are you? Why are you whining and crying and barking? Is this why? Is this it? Because you want to lick my plate? Because you're spoiled? Because we always let you lick the plate? Oh, you're spoiled. What a spoiled little brat. Okay. Okay, lick it. Yummy. It's okay, people. It's my breakfast. It's an egg and corned beef hash. Which means she gets a little bit of meat. You want some meat? There you go. She's got to put her paw on it to make sure it doesn't move anywhere. And licks it and licks it. And there is a spoiled little doggy.